Unlock the power of personal reflection and organized record-keeping right from your Android device. First, let's explore your app options. Head over to the Google Play Store and search for Digital Journal or Diary app. Look for apps with high ratings, positive reviews, and features that align with your needs, such as rich text editing, photo attachments, or password protection. Popular choices include Dailyo Journey or Evernote. Once you've chosen and installed your app, it's time to set up your journal. Open the app and you'll typically be guided through a quick setup process, which might involve creating an account or just diving straight into your first entry. Now, let's personalize your journaling experience. Most apps offer extensive customization features. Navigate to the app settings to change themes, fonts, or colors to make your journal visually appealing and comfortable for you to use. You can also experiment with tags or categories to help organize your entries. When it's time to write, tap the new entry or plus icon. Beyond just text, many apps allow you to attach photos, videos, or even voice notes to your entries, making your reflections richer and more vivid. Explore the formatting options to bold text, create lists, or add emojis. To keep your personal reflection secure, always utilize the app's security features in the settings. Enable a passcode, PIN, or fingerprint lock to ensure only you have access to your private thoughts. Some apps also offer cloud syncing, which provides an extra layer of backup for your entries. Regularity is key for effective journaling. Try to establish a routine, whether it's daily, weekly, or whenever inspiration strikes. Use the search and tagging functions to easily find specific past entries or track your progress over time. Consistent use transforms your digital journal into a powerful tool for self-discovery and organized record keeping.